Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up group sessions in your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a group session or a group call in your LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're selling coaching or selling courses, you know that part of the package oftentimes is a weekly or a bi-weekly group call. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up group calls, here on the left side, you're going to click on courses. Once you do that, you're going to see all the courses you are offering in LearnWorlds. You can see I just have this one, and you just want to hover over it and then hover over the three dots and now click on edit course. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the course sections. You can see this one has 3 sections: Italian food, Mexican food, and Chinese food. So go ahead and choose the section that you want the group call to be available in. So for example, this one right here, Chinese cuisine. Once you've chosen the section, go ahead and click on the turquoise Add Activity button. All right, once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on Live Sessions. Okay, once you do that, you get to choose your service provider. So I have the basic plan for this test account. So you need to upgrade if you want to connect your Zoom, WebEx, or Microsoft Teams. However, for my plan, I can go ahead and add a Calendly. Now, if you need help connecting one of the service providers, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. However, at the end of the video, I'll go ahead and do a really quick rundown on how to connect that. So here, I'm going to go ahead and click on group session. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and name your group call. So since this is about Chinese cuisine, maybe we're going to go ahead and have a talk about fried rice. So fried rice talk. Okay, and you're going to click on save and edit. Okay, so now you can go ahead and adjust this. So we have the title at fried rice talk. It's a group call or a group session, or you can go ahead and see my Calendly account that I've connected. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and select my Calendly event type. Let me scroll down a little bit more. Okay, and next we want to click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we have this group call scheduled in our 3rd module inside of our course, and it's connected to my Calendly. So like I said, if you need to connect to your service provider, let me go back here to the home screen. Okay, from here on the home screen, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Next, you're going to see another drop-down menu. Click on integrations. Once you click on integrations, you're going to look for this button right here, live sessions. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the different service providers. So just click on the service provider, and then you're going to click on activate. Once you click on activate, you're going to get the chance to go ahead and log into the service provider and connect it to your LearnWorlds. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a group call or a group session in your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.